Today we're making some dill pickles, refrigerator dill pickles. So I'm chopping up my cucumbers from the garden that we need to use up and preserve. So I thought this would be a good way. We do eat a lot of pickles here. And filling up the jars. I filled them a little bit too much. You'll see toward the end of the video. So we're doing refrigerator pickles. Got this off of Food Network. This is 2 quarts and 1 quart, so I'm tripling the recipe. So it calls for 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, whole, 1 in there, and 2 in here. 1, 2, and then 3 cloves of garlic. That's a lot of garlic, which is okay with me. 2, about 3, and this one needs 6 because we're doubling it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hopefully that'll work here. And then crushed red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm just gonna eyeball it. We don't like it too spicy. That's a little slow. That's good. That's plenty. And then 6 sprigs of dill. My dill's not ready, so I'm gonna have to use dry dill. So 6 sprigs is, I'm guessing, about a teaspoon. And so can't put too much dill, right? Push this down a little bit, please. Gotta get space in here. Pickles are taking up the space. Gotta be careful pouring that in. Okay. Oops. Alright. So that's that. Got the cucumbers in there already. It says 1 1/4 pounds cucumbers. I don't know how many pounds that is. It was just cucumbers from the garden that we had, so I just fit them into 2 jars. I don't think it matters the amount of them as long as the jar is more the size. It was just 1 quart. And we got vinegar, 3 cups. It calls for 1.5 cup, or sorry, it calls for 1 cup, but I'm tripling it, so 2 and 1. And we got our water. Water is going to be boiling. We have 3 tablespoons salt, kosher salt. And I'm adding some coriander, which is cilantro seed. That's also from the garden. Just because I think it'll taste good. We'll let that boil and pour it in the jars. Okay, so the water is done boiling. I added the vinegar to the water. It is boiling. So now we pour it in. Hopefully I don't spill and make a huge mess. I'm hoping some of this stuff will trickle that down, but I guess it's not. I'll shake it when I'm done. And get some coriander in this one. This one's a little easier to pour into. Oop. Gotta fill it up all the way, get all the air bubbles out. Got the towel there because I figured I might spill. Come on. I wish it would. It's gonna take a long time. Okay, this is getting crazy. So let me try to get this more opened. There we go. At least to get the water in there. Yeah. And then, there we go, this might be better. There we go. That's a little easier. Okay. Let's fill that. Got a little extra. Better to have too much than not enough. Lid on. And lid on. Okay, it's good. It's filled up enough, I think. Make sure all the bubbles are out. Yep, that's pretty good. And these, ooh, hot. That's hot. Make sure you get all the bubbles out. Shake it up a little bit. See if you can get it, all the herbs mixed in. So maybe don't fill your jars quite as full. I tried to make it all fit. Let's see if I need any more. No, it's good. Okay. That's it. Let that sit, cool off, put it in the refrigerator. The recipe says lasts for 2 weeks. I find it lasts a little longer. But people out there posting recipes, you know, they want to make sure that no one gets poisoned, so they're a little bit conservative. Hope you enjoyed. I will be posting a link to this down below in the comments and or in the description. Thank you. Have a great day.